Hi there, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and we are getting going on our second unit of the semester. So it's week 7, but we are now in Unit 4, Reconstruction of the United States. So Unit 3, of course, was the United States Civil War, and now that we finished up with the Civil War, we had our kind of catch-up week last week, and now we are on to what is generally called the Reconstruction in the United States. So this will generally be, this unit is going to cover the second half of the 19th century. So basically from the end of the Civil War up through the end of the century, 1865 through about 1900. But again, in this class, we don't march through time. We don't go year by year. We look more at general themes and events. So as we enter Unit 4, Week 7 is going to be about rebuilding the nation, beginning of Reconstruction. So we do have this week set out, day 1 through 5. You will find a weekly quiz called Reconstruction Quiz Unit 4 week, that should say 7. Sorry, it says week 8. That should say week 7. Please start with that as usual on a Monday morning. You're going to take the weekly quiz. You're going to check your grades. You are going to go over the suggested schedule, which is right up here in our red, white, and blue. And that's a little bit hard to read, I can see here. I did put it in bold, but sorry, it is a little bit hard to read. But as we go through, so let's see here. Day 1, we do have the vocab, 10 vocab words that I'd like you to go over and do as we normally do, the 3 different things, the dictionary definition, your definition, and then a visual for the vocab word or term. We'll go through Reconstruction, what's called really free. Day 2, we will go over the 3 Reconstruction, the Civil War or Reconstruction Amendments. Again, that should say week 7, not week 8. So go over those. Day 3, the Reconstruction Presidents. Talk about the what we are considered the 3 Reconstruction presidents, as well as the impeachment of President Andrew Johnson. Day 4, talk about the end of Reconstruction, and then day 5. So Thursday, Friday, I'll open up the quiz again that you can go back through. We'll talk about the Compromise of 1877 when President Rutherford B. Hayes, who did not win the popular vote, but did become president in kind of a shady backroom deal. One of the problems with our form, the way we elect our presidents, is that things like that can happen. So with that, that is the week. And as I might not have, where is it? Day 2 here. The Civil War Amendments discussion. What you are going to do is decide which of these 3 amendments is the most important, most relevant in today's society. Certainly looking back to when they were done, but also in today's society, which is most important. Okay, so that will finish us up. And here's your suggested schedule. As always, it goes Monday through Friday because I want you to have a weekend. But if you are at all behind, please go back. Hopefully last week you were able to get caught up on everything. If not, please get caught up. Use the weekend if you need it or anything else. All right. Have a great, see some of you on Wednesday. Have a great week. You know how to get a hold of me if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.